Welcome to the latest Excel networking video briefing. The Excel Explained series of videos has been designed and developed to provide important technology updates in bite-sized sessions and are based upon frequently asked questions received by our technical team. Each one will last no more than 5 minutes or the time to drink a cup of coffee. This particular presentation relates to the Construction Products Regulation and the general level of misunderstanding and confusion surrounding the testing methods employed to classify cables. We will endeavour to explain the important topic of acid gas testing and the test method used. The test procedure and equipment is defined in BSEN 60754-2 2014, which replaced the previous EN 50267-2-3. This slide describes the test methods and equipment used to look at two important elements, which are acidity or corrosiveness of the gas by way of a pH measurement, and the conductivity, which is the ability of the dissolved solution to conduct electricity. Conductivity is also directly linked to the total dissolved solids in the solution and is expressed as microsiemens per millimeter. The classification A1 is less than 2.5 microsiemens per millimeter and a pH value of no less than 4.3. A2 is less than 10 microsiemens per millimeter and a pH value of no less than 4.3. A3 is for products which no performance is declared or does not comply with either A1 or A2. We trust this has clarified this topic for you. If you have any questions about the CPR, please send an email to cpr@excel-networking.com and we will endeavour to answer it in a timely manner. Thank you for listening.